Alright, for those of you guys trying to get your spare tire off on your 2006 or equivalent years Chevy Trailblazer, I saw a couple videos, and it's still kind of hard to kind of totally understand what's going on, but in the end, let me try to show you here, where the cable feeds up through this little nub right here, and then there's like a little button right there. So when that, and there's a, it hooks, whoops, that hook right there is what's holding it up to safety. So when that button right there, when the cable pulls that up, I don't know if you can see it move. See if you can see it move it a little bit. Oh, it does go up. So when the cable pulls up, it pushes this back. Anyway, but the point is, it's so rusted up, that thing did not want to loosen. So that tire's hanging up there on this thing. I took my hammer and I beat it on this thing, which forced that button up, which in turn pushed that in. And I gotta be honest, that tire dropped about 6 inches and stopped, but it was heading towards me. So just a warning that when it does release, it goes. So anyway, I don't know if that helps clear up anything. Maybe just made things more confusing, I don't know. But I got it down, lubed it up, gonna put it back up again. But hope this helps somebody. Good luck.